Hello everyone, this is class 10 and today we will focus on improving our pronunciation and intonation. In today's lesson, we will cover two key areas, improving pronunciation, mastering intonation. Let's begin with improving your pronunciation. Clear pronunciation is essential for being understood. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers and try to mimic their pronunciation. You can use online videos, podcasts, or language learning apps. Break down words. Break down words into individual sounds and practice each sound. For example, the word comfortable can be broken down into comfortable. Use phonetic transcription. Phonetic transcription can help you understand how words are pronounced. Dictionaries often provide these transcription. Record yourself. Record your speech and compare it to native speaker. Identify areas where you need improvement and practice them. Practice tongue twister. Tongue twister are a fun way to improve your pronunciation. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. Choose a short paragraph from a book or article and practice reading it aloud. Focus on pronouncing each word clearly. For example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now let's focus on mastering intonation. Intonation refers to the rise and fall of your voice when speaking and is crucial for conveying meaning and emotion. Listen and imitate. Pay attention to how native speakers use intonation in different contexts. Practice imitating their speech patterns. Practice stress and rhythm. In English, certain syllables in words and certain words in sentences are stressed more than others. Practice identifying and using these stresses. Use rising and falling intonation. Use rising intonation for questions and falling intonation for statement. For example, are you coming? Rising. I am coming. Falling. Record and compare. Record yourself speaking and compare your intonation to that of a native speaker. Adjust your speech accordingly. Practice with questions and statements. Practice using correct intonation with different types of sentences. Pair up with a classmate and practice the following sentences focusing on correct intonation. Are you going to the party? Rising. I finished my homework. Falling. Can you help me? Rising. She is very talented. Falling. Well done. Everyone, today we learned how to improve our pronunciation and master intonation. Remember to listen and imitate, practice regularly, and pay attention to stress and rhythm. Thank you for joining today's class. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more lessons. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next class. Bye.